Hello and welcome back to Python with another kinda quick tutorial about the string library. So this video is not about strings in general, but just about the string library and what it adds to our possibilities to handle strings and handle stuff containing strings. So what is a string library? Usually the string library is used to get access to lists of characters. For example, with our string library we can print string point digits, and I don't wanna debug. We get a string containing all of our digits and we can gain access of our digits, or can say print e in digits, in string point digits. For example, if we are iterating through a string, we can use that instead of is digit. And we can print string point ASCII uppercase and string point ASCII lowercase. And we are getting the entire alphabet in uppercase and lowercase. And this has, for example, certain advantages compared to regular string method. For example, we can check ABS is point is upper. But for example, if we want to check if a certain character is in uppercase and lowercase, but sorry, I had to cough. If it is in, for example, lowercase and ABC uppercase, we can print A in F string point lowercase ABC, which returns true. So we are can perform certain actions with uppercase and lowercase. What we also have is a library with octa digits or even hexa digits. And as you may possibly know, hexa digits are one character digits from 0 to 15. So to gain access to 10, 11, 12 using only one spot, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. It's simply for the case that one byte contains 8 bits, but if we want to gain access of 4 bits, which is a placeholder or can hold place for 16 different informations, we are kind of wasting 6 of them, and that's why hexa digits exist. And string point hexa digits can be also useful in situations. For example, if we wanna check if a certain number is a hex digit or if it's just ASCII letters. And let's see what have we else. We have punctuations, and we have everything you can imagine. These are the punctuations. And what is kind of also useful is the string point template. So template, we can define a string containing certain placeholder. For example, we have our template equals string point template, and as input arguments we are having a string containing dollars, dollar signs, which act as key holders for later So we can, yeah, with our templates we can use a string which contains keyholder strings. And yes, now let's create a string with this template. Therefore we are using the substitute function. Point substitute, and as an input we need a dictionary containing the keywords we defined with the $sign. For example, age equals 44, and yeah, name equals Jonathan. And let's print A. And we are getting 44 year. Okay, years to be grammatically correct. 44 years is just a number for Jonathan. And yeah, we have also the formatter class, but the template class, I guess, can be more useful. And yes, that's everything. This was a short tutorial, but I think using string as a library can be quite useful as a nice addition to the usual string functions. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment containing feedback or advice, what I can do for my next video or what I can do better next time. See you in the next video, hopefully. Have a nice evening, day, dinner time, whatever time it is. Bye bye.